In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create specific date or contact date property workflows in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. We're going to build a simple, reliable workflow that enrolls contacts around a specific date using HubSpot's activity and date filters. This is perfect for time-sensitive follow-ups, reminders, or reporting tied to a particular call date or a similar contact date property. Start on your HubSpot home. From here, head to Automation and open the Automation overview. This is your command center for building and managing workflows. Make sure you have the right permissions to create workflows in your portal. If you don't see the options, check with your admin. Next, create a new workflow. Choose to build it from scratch so you have full control over the enrollment criteria. Starting from scratch keeps the setup clean and makes it easy to tailor the logic for specific or property-based dates without inherited settings from a template. When HubSpot asks what type of data you want to base this on, select Emails, Calls, and Communication. Then choose Call Events. From the available event types, pick Call Started. This tells HubSpot you're targeting a contact activity related to calls, and it's especially useful when your process hinges on when a call took place. Now refine who gets enrolled. Click Add criteria to narrow the enrollment trigger. Choose Activity Date. This represents the timestamp of the call. You'll now add the date condition. Use the calendar to select the exact date you care about, and choose the operator that fits your goal, such as is on, is before, or is after. If your use case revolves around a contact date property rather than an activity date, the same idea applies. You'd select that date property in your criteria and set the appropriate date condition. Either way, you're telling HubSpot exactly which date makes a contact eligible. After you've added the date, click Done to lock in your filter. Then click Next. Review the summary so you can confirm the event and date logic match your intent. Click Next again to proceed. Finally, click Save and Continue. This saves your enrollment trigger exactly as configured and gets you to the workflow canvas where you can add actions later, like internal notifications or follow-up emails, if that's part of your process. A quick tip before you move on. Double-check your account's time zone to avoid off-by-one-day surprises, and keep your date logic consistent across filters. With that, you've set up a specific date or contact date style workflow foundation in HubSpot, ready for your actions and go live.